Hi, my name is Chris. We're the hosts of the Saalbacher Hof, together with our wonderful SBH crew, as we call the Saalbacher Hof, the abbreviation. So the Saalbacher Hof is situated in the beautiful mountains in Austria, and we call it a big playground, because the Saalbacher Hof is more than a hotel. For us, it gives us the chance to try out a lot of different things, which are way more than you usually experience in a usual hotel, because we try to have the best corporate culture in hotel business.
It's a huge playground for our staff and also our guests to find inspiration and love in different kind of things like meditation, sports, personal growth. A lot of things to do, more than only a holiday in a nice mountain alpine setting in the middle of the Salzburg Alps.
With our team, we try to create the best experiences for our guests, which is more than serving food and preparing beds. We have tons of activities, workshops we offer our guests, and our biggest goal is that when people come to us for a holiday, or even people come to us to work here, that they find something inspirational in all the offers we provide and take something worthwhile for their life afterwards with them. And so our biggest success is when we hear from people who maybe have visited us and tell us later that they found out about something healthy or something where they could grow, or what they could take to their homes after they have been here, and which made them a happier person, a healthier person, or just where they could develop.
So as we are totally into, as you always say it, Laughful, we are PD junkies, so personal development junkies. We also started to be a place where people can come together to live and grow. And it's now the 4th year that we are doing different kind of retreats. We're working together with a German company for 5 years now. It's a change your pattern method. Everything started with them basically. And after that, people came and asked if they can hold a workshop here also.
So we are extending this series of retreats now. We altogether offer 6 retreats now this summer in different times, and our plan is that we offer a full retreat schedule for next summer, where you can come from the beginning of June till the end of September, and we will have one retreat following the next.
And the good thing is that with the Soul House, which we could get into the SBH universe, we even found a place where this is perfectly going together. As you know, you're a little separated from the hotel. It's only an hour to walk, a minute a minute to walk from the garden area to the Soul House, and it's an own place itself where you can have the best food will be prepared there from one of our healthy gurus here in the company, and you have a big space where you can also have like deep breath work, and no one else is going to be interrupted by that.
We are really happy to offer our guests as well different selections from all kinds you can think of, from high fat, low carb to vegan. We offer everything to every needs, and we can create for every retreat the perfect menu plan. We do also offer things like bulletproof coffee, or you can get alkachizers with fresh medical herbs around from our gardens here. And so this makes us, I think, the perfect location just for retreats like this.
So our retreat plan for next summer is just going to be finished soon. So before November, please, guys, ladies, boys, whatever, if you have fun to go to somewhere else than Bali and Costa Rica and come to the Austrian Alps, then please contact us, PM us, or just drop us some lines on the Hotel Saalbacher Hof.
So that would be for next summer, but Saalbach is also always a very, very good alternative for winter. Especially winter sport is big here, so we have tons of snow, and so also winter is a very, very perfect place to spend his winter holidays in Saalbach. So we would really love to welcome you here. We have the most fun talking to people about our adventures and their adventures, on their growth in personal development, in business challenges, to exchange with our guests about this and learn from each other, since learning and growing is one of our biggest topics in the Saalbacher Hof.
And in the world.